Our project title is Indian Nutrition Advisor. Nowadays, many people don't follow a proper food diet because of their busy schedules. This leads to health issues. Most diet apps available today are only based on Western foods and they don't follow a proper include of Indian foods or eating habits. So we developed the Timeless Indian Nutrition Guide. It is a web application that helps user to track what they eat and understand the calorie intake based on the Indian food. So this system is simple to use and helps people to maintain a healthier lifestyle. So the objective of this project is to give a correct nutrition details of for Indian foods. So to help user to track their daily food calories, to encourage people with the healthy eating habits, to support simple diet planning, and to create awareness about balanced diet. So overall, our aim is to make Indian nutrition tracking easy for everyone. So the methodologies of this project is first we analyzed the problem and understood the need for an Indian nutrition system, and next we designed the system with a simple user interface and created modules like a food database, calorie calculator and user profile. And then we collected the nutritional data for Indian foods including regional dishes. After that, we developed the application using technologies. We added features like meal input and calorie intake and also maintaining streak. Then we tested the system to check accuracy and performance. Finally, we deployed the application so user can easily access it.
Well, now we shall see how the INA really looks like. After opening the portal, we'll be having the login page. In this login page, we'll be having separate logins for the user and the doctor. In doctor login page, we'll be having the personal details of the doctor and the legal documents to be uploaded of the doctor. After the after this, we'll be having the user interface. In this user interface, we'll be having the personal details of the user, uh, like name, email ID, contact number, age, gender, height, weight, and which state they belongs to and which city they belongs to. After creation of the profile, we'll be moved to the food preferences. In this food preferences, we'll be having regional foods like North Indian style, South Indian style, East Indian style, or West Indian style. After choosing the food preferences, we'll be having the diet type. In this diet type, we'll be choosing what type of diet type we required, like pure vegetarian or non-vegetarian or non-veg plus vegetarian, like this certain details. After choosing these details, we'll be moved to the vitals page. In this vitals, we have to scan our fingerprint to measure our vitals. These vitals contains the heart rate, the blood pressure, the oxygen rate, and the temperature. After scanning your vitals, will be moved to the diseases page. In this diseases page, we'll be having many diseases like diabetes, heart diseases, thyroid, and etc. Here, we'll be having certain details after choosing the diseases. For example, if we choose the heart rate, will be ask the questions like uh, from how many months or how many years the user is facing the issue, and if the user undergone any surgeries. According to the details provided, the food is generated in our portal. If we don't have any diseases, then we can choose no diseases. After choosing this, we'll be having sub diseases like weight gain, weight loss, or height growth, etc. So we can choose the convenient diseases. After choosing this, we'll be moved to the actual portal. Here we find the diet plan generation, finding the doctors, booking the appointments, diet alarms, prescriptions, and settings. Here we can generate our diet plan, and this diet plan varies day to day, and every day we'll be having different sort of food diets to consume. Uh, if the food diet is not convenient to the user, they can have the uh, they can consult the doctor through this portal. Here we can book the appointment of the convenient doctor, and this appointment is free for the first time, and it is also free if you want to consult the doctor again within the 10 days of time period after your appointment. Here if you want to book the appointment, we'll be having the uh, uh, we can select the details like at what time and at what date we want not book the appointment. And after booking the appointment, you will be getting the video conference link to your registered mail and the registered WhatsApp number. After your uh, appointment, you'll be getting the prescriptions which are prescribed from the doctors in the portal, as well as the in the registered mails and the registered WhatsApp number. Here you can choose the entire portal in your regional languages. We have an option to change the language according to the regions. Even though we have different food consumption portals, the main novelty of our project is the Tyler's Indian Nutri Guide is unique because it is specially designed around Indian dietary habits rather than relying on generic global nutrition models. It focuses on commonly consumed Indian foods such as roti, dosha, rice based meals, and tradition thalis, ensuring that users can easily relate to and accurately log their daily intake. The system also incorporates regional diversity by covering cuisines from different parts of India, including north, south, east, and west, which is often missing in standard diet applications. Another key innovation is its approach to portion estimation, where food quantities are aligned with the typical Indian serving styles like bowls, plates, and home cooked measurements, making calories tracked more practical and realistic. Additionally, the project provides smart insights that help users understand their eating patterns and make informed dietary decisions. A significant aspect of novelty lies in its culture relevance, and it can accommodate practices such as fasting, festival based diets, and seasonal eating habits. Overall, this combination of cultural awareness, practical usability, and localized data makes the project more relatable, user friendly, and effective compared to conventional nutrition tracking system.
System features are calorie tracking system, personalized diet suggestions, health awareness tips, meal planning assistance, and also with the food database with Indian dishes. Advantages of a project is easy to use, saves time, promotes healthy lifestyle, is mainly customized for Indian users, and the main advantage of a project is it is helpful in weight management. Applications are weight loss or gain programs, fitness tracking, diet planning, healthcare awareness, and the main personal health monitoring. Future scope. The main future scope of a project is mobile app development and AI based diet recommendations, personalized health reports, and voice based food inputs, and also the main image recognition like a scan food for calories. Limitations are depends on user input accuracy, requires internet access and no medical diagnosis, and limited food database. So by this I want to conclude about our project that our project is not only about the nutrition tracking but also it's all about the steps towards the healthier India by combining the technology with traditional food knowledge. So nowadays the people are having steps towards the unhealthier food more than the healthier one. So in this process they are gaining more weight and losing their interest on the weight and losing their interest on the healthier lifestyle. So we have done this project whereby checking the weight and the height they can see that what the nutrition food they need to take and what they need to do and what type of food they need to take to maintain the healthier lifestyle. Consuming unhealthier food more than the healthier food will lead to the unhealthier lifestyle. So try to maintain the healthier lifestyle by taking the nutrition food more than the unhealthier food, and try to maintain the weight which is related to the height so that it will have a balanced constant weight. Thank you.